Hi, and welcome to All Things Styled by Pam. For today's video, I want to show you something that I just unboxed, and you can probably see it right here. These are some plates, and I was watching Styled by Casanova, and she had these plates, and I just thought they were absolutely gorgeous. And I went on JCPennys website, and I ordered these from JCPennys. I'm going to give you the prices of everything in just a moment. Let me show you these. I am sitting on the floor in my dining room because I just unboxed these. And yes, I'm sitting on the floor and I will have to wash everything. But let me go ahead and show you. So I got, like I said, I ordered these and they just came in. These are let me turn the bowl around. This is a big bowl. This is by Loom Plus Forge, Forge. And you do see, oh, they do have the prices on the bottom of these, but this is not what I paid for this. The last video that I just did, I always say comp shop when you're looking for certain items, but these right here, I could have gotten it in the set, but I bought them four to a set because I didn't want the smaller plates. I did not want those. I just wanted well, let me show you. So this is one of the bowls that I just picked up, and it is really big. Okay, and they had either white or black, and I chose, as you can see, to get them in black. And let me tell you, Loom and Forge, ooh, the quality on these, and I had to show you, these are just outstanding. And this bowl right here, I've never seen a bowl this big. Maybe I have, I don't know, that you can get with that goes perfectly with the dishes that you bought. So yeah, I got that bowl, and let me show you how big it is. I picked up these cups right here as well. These cups are big. They really are. And like I said, I'm going to give you the price breakdown in just a minute. And you can see how big that bowl is. It is huge. So let me move these in. I have styrofoam everywhere, and that is not my address, okay? So I picked up four. I'm going to only show you two. I picked up four of these cups right here. And let me move these. And I picked up four of these plates right here, as you can see. And look at the quality on these plates. Look, there is usually when you buy black plates, you'll see some type of imperfection on them, but there is none on these plates at all. So I picked up four of these, and this is I picked up four of these bowls right here compared to this massive one. These are called cereal bowls, and I can sit it inside of here, and you can see how big that bowl is right there. And let me show you something else that I picked up. I picked up this serving tray right here. Okay, I'm really loving the serving tray. And like I said, no imperfection. And like you can see the prices on the bottom of it, but that's not what I paid for them. So I'm going to try to start sharing the prices with you. So this is my notepad right here. My total order was $134.95, but with the discount that I got from JCPennys, they're always offering discounts. It was minus $33.74 from my total. So the total price was $109.31. The big bowl was $14.99. The serving tray, 14 by 7, was $14.99. 4 coffee mugs were $22.50. Dinner plates, $26.24 for a set of 4. And the cereal bowl was $22.49 for a set of 4. And I got everything basically in a set of 4 except for the serving tray and the big bowl. So my total was $109, as I just said, $109.31. When you're shopping online, just make sure that you're getting the best deals and the best prices. And I'm going to tell you, when I went on JCPennys, and I do shop at JCPennys, I have several websites that I shop on, but I'm telling you, I'm loving the quality of the book. And they really packed everything perfectly. Okay? And this is the first time I've ordered something where they have the price on the bottom of it. I got it upside down. But this is the first time I've gotten something with the price on the bottom of it. But I'm telling you, you need to look up this company, Loom Forge. And they have it in white. But I'm telling you, I wanted it in black. Usually when you buy black plates, the side around here it's sort of like it's up, but it feels more, it feels, these are smooth, is what I'm trying to say. I mean, smooth. And the place that I had felt kind of rough, but I didn't like the fact that they had the white line going around the circumference of the plates. But these right here, everything is just absolutely smooth, okay? You want to make sure, again, and I'm always say this, read the reviews before you purchase anything. The reviews will tell you exactly what you're going to get. Pull up the pictures, look at the pictures. If you got to log off, come back, re-look at it. You want to make sure that whatever you're purchasing is going to be right for you. And make sure you pay attention to it when you get the reviews of how they package everything. Everything was in individual boxes. And that's what I really, really liked. Everything was put into this big box right here. So again, make sure you read the reviews. Okay, I just wanted to show you this unboxing of my new plates right quick. And I will talk to you guys in another video. And always remember to put that diamond touch on anything that you decide to do. And if you want to join me on my Instagram, join me at Diamond2872. I will be happy to have you on my Instagram as well. And everyone, I hope that you have a blessed day. And I will talk to you guys later.